Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the battery-operated tea light candles and 3 things you need to know. Thing number 1, now these are powered by the CR2032 battery, which should, now there's always going to be variations in batteries and in these tea light candles, should last for upwards of 200 hours. Now the same size votive candle may only last 6 to 7 hours. Contrast the two of that, and thing number 2, these are the same diameter as the votive candle, so you can use the same holders. If you're wanting to do some extra lighting but want to do something a little bit different, you can already use some of the same votive handle holders that you do now. Thing number 3, these can be used in areas where you really either can't use or shouldn't use candles. So for example, in a kid's room where things, or in any area of the house where things might have the potential for catching fire, or if a candle were to fall over. These fall over, worst case they break, you go put a replacement one in, or you change out the battery. Something worthwhile considering is if you're going to use these around the holidays, get you a card of the 2030 or the CR2032 batteries, and that way you'll have more, that should have more than enough power to get through the holidays. So take a look at these and think about getting some for yourself today.